My name is Amir Nota. I'm the product development engineer here at Beyond LED Technology. I'm excited to introduce our brand new floodlight, which is wattage, CCT, and beam angle adjustable, especially designed for tennis court, pickleball courts, and smaller stadium. It has 3 different wattages, 300 watt, 400 watt, and 500 watt, and deliver up to 72,500 lumens. This is also a beam angle adjustable with by just twisting of a screwdriver, and you can change it to type 3, type 4, and type 5. If you want to purchase, please contact us through our website beyondledtechnology.com. Thanks a lot.